So can you make a standard cap wig look real? I think you can, and save yourself a lot of money in the process. Now this is the Fantastic Enticing by Toni Brattin in the colour Platinum Blonde, and it's a really beautiful wig, but it's a standard cap wig. Yep. So why pay $500 to $600 for this wig when you could get this wig for $80 to maybe $150 depending on what website that you're purchasing it from. So we don't always have to fork out the big bucks for a lace front wig. I'm going to show you a number of wigs in a procession and see if you can pick out which is the standard cap and which is a lace front wig. This wig is Angelica by Noriko, and it has a similar top profile to Hollywood from Main Attraction, as you can see here. But this is a standard cap wig. Surprise! This wig is Hollywood by Main Attraction. Now you may take a look at it and think that perhaps it's a standard cap wig with a lot of permatease. Now, it is a wig with a lot of permatease, but it is not a standard cap wig, it is a lace front wig. Is this a standard cap wig or a lace front wig? This is Breezy wave cut by Hairdo by the company Hairway, and it is a standard cap wig, and in my opinion it has a really realistic look. And this wig here is Fortune by Main Attraction. Now, is she a lace front wig or a standard cap wig? This is a lace front wig, and it has a very similar style to the Breezy wave cut by Hairdo. Believe me or not, this is a lace front wig. So you may ask, why spend the extra money on a lace front wig? But with this particular one, although I've brought the bang over to the side, I could actually pull that hair back off my forehead, which is particularly valuable in summer when you want to get a bit of that weight of hair off your head in the full heat of summer. Basic or standard cap wig or lace front wig? This is Hairdo's classic Fling wig in the colour Golden Wheat, and it's a standard cap wig. And again, those Hairdo fibres are really robust. They're a real workhorse of a wig, and if you're on a budget, don't give this one a miss, because if you're happy to have the bang sweeping down, or if you have some hair of your own to blend in, this is a great wig. And even if you don't have hair of your own to blend in, you can just cover your hairline like that. So there's a variety of wigs that if you're on a budget, don't be afraid of that standard cap wig. And quite often, the standard cap wigs are built in a much more robust way than a lace front wig, where you have to take a lot of care and be really careful how you manage that so that you don't tear the lace or stretch it. And a standard cap wig can really be a just shake and go wig. I'll put a link in the description box below of every wig that I've showcased here in this video. And YouTube will have a video selected here just for you. Thanks for joining me on Julie's Wig World.